you're talking, I'm sorry to interrupt you. These
Yes.
spirits that you're talking about, where do they reside?
Where do they reside? Where do they come from?
Where do they live?
Like,
And then the spirits that you're talking about, you're talking about people who died.
yes, they live here with us.
Or they live here with us.
Like, many
the
people believed that when I say everybody here, point where God is.
Yeah.
Do you know where they're going to point? All these people that are here. If I ask any one of these people, they will point up there.
I know that question.
Yes.
I know that question because I can still say to you,
Yes.
when you point up there during the night, will you point up? Will you say?
I like your. Why does it seem like you are in a competition to tamper with my intellectuality that I've seen as broader? Yours now seems a bit broader, but I'll up my socks, and upping my socks, it will benefit somebody listening.